What color is the sky? Ay mi amor, ay mi amor. You tell me that it's red. Ay mi amor, ay mi amor. Where should I put my shoes? Ay mi amor, ay mi amor. You say put them on your hand. Ay mi amor, ay mi amor. You make me un poco loco, un poquitito loco. The way you keep me guessing, I'm nodding and I'm guessing. How counts it as a blessing that I'm only un poco loco? Not bad for a dead guy, not so bad yourself, gordito, eso. He's cross, find him. The love that you make me is just un poco crazy. The sense that you're not making, the liberties you're taking, things like a blessing. You are just un poco loco. We're looking for a living kid about 12. Have you seen a living boy? What melt jackpot? I mean, we kinda are just pretty calm. We're looking for a living God. We're looking for a living July at the end of the break. What's so bad you say about it? Blackpool, Kate me Jacks. Create a completely original Latin-inspired pop song with playful, quirky energy and a whimsical, romantic vibe. Use bright acoustic guitar